So what is stock market? So what are the बेबी नर्सरी क्लास में क्या क्या सीखना है, what we should see before attending the basic course. So that is our the motto of this video. Let us go to this money control app. So money control is baby nursery है ना stock market में. That is the app we have to use for baby nursery classes. So this money control just shows us where is Nifty, Bank Nifty. I mean, click on this Indian indices. So can you see everyone? Indian indices. Click on this indices button. You can see all these things. Nifty Pharma, Nifty Mid Cap, Nifty Bank, Nifty hundreds companies, Nifty 200 companies, Nifty 500 companies. All these things. Nifty Auto, IT, PSU Bank. So meaning of Nifty Auto means top auto companies in India. Can you see which are the stocks? All these companies are top auto companies in India. Let me check Nifty Bank. So these are all the companies which are top banking stocks in India. That is Nifty Bank. Nifty Bank and Nifty can be traded in futures and options. So what is futures options? We'll all discuss in LKG, UKG classes. So now in the pre-nursery, these are all the pre-nursery things we need to see. So Nifty, Bank Nifty, all these things will be taught in LKG, UKG classes. Just see the graph, all this, not graph, all this data, whatever it's coming now, just see this data. And this data will keep changing every second. So this is share market. Share market में the numbers will be keep changing. So nothing to get panicked. So this is Nifty means top 50 companies. Bank Nifty means top 12 banks. So Sensex means top 30 companies in India. So we are grouping this top 50 companies. See, these are all the top 50 companies. We are grouping it and we are calling it as a Nifty 50. So Nifty 50 can be traded. This is all about Indian indices. Going to global indices. So can you see this one? SGX Nifty and Nasdaq is American market. FTSE is United Kingdom. CAC is Italy and DAX is Germany. These are all European markets and these are all Asian markets. Hang Seng. So I think it's a mixture today. So all this Germany and all these markets are in green today, but SGX Nifty is indicating little green. So SGX Nifty is a replica of Indian market. It is showing in green means tomorrow our Indian markets may open in green. It's just a dummy of Indian markets. SGX Nifty. Most important is SGX Nifty. If SGX Nifty is in green tomorrow morning, let's say today is 8 p.m. Can you see the time on the top? So now the time is 8 p.m. I am recording the video. So tomorrow morning 8 p.m. 8 a.m. sorry. Tomorrow morning 8 a.m. you have to see SGX Nifty. If SGX Nifty is in green, Indian market will open in green. 90% chances. It's very rare cases SGX Nifty in green, but Indian market may open in red. It's possible. Anything is possible in market. So this is all about global indices. And in the pre-nursery classes, so there is something called IPO. All this is, what is IPO? Upcoming stocks into stock market. So upcoming, you are setting one company, that company's shares will come to stock market now. That is IPO. So Anand Rathi is upcoming stock which is coming into stock market. So the dates they have mentioned. So all these are IPO stocks. These companies are getting listed into stock market in this week. So I'm all using the layman words. The reason is I don't want to make it complicated. So for you guys, see, this is a Bible of stock market, or a Bhagavad Gita, or a Quran, which is this app, Money Control app. You should watch this app day in and day out. Every second you need to watch this app. So then only the craze about the markets, that addiction will happen in the market. Then only you'll start learning. These are all pre-nursery class. No, that's the reason I'm using all these words. Reason is that dedication, that passion should come from inside you. Then only you'll learn the markets. If that passion is not within you, Even if God comes and teach you the stock market, you cannot learn it. So this is one app we are revealing in this one basic course. So now, so I'll just show you some concepts here. Let me click on this HDFC Bank. This is not a bank, it is HDFC. Let me click on this JSW. Let me click here. So can you see all these numbers? See, all these numbers will be discussed in the LKG UKG classes. What is the meaning of market cap? 1,55,000 crores. Can you see this market cap? The market cap of JSW is 1,55,391. And all this TTM PE ratio, TTM EPS ratio. TTM EPS means earnings per share. EPS means earnings per share. PE means, share price by EPS. PE ratio is very, very important, where P means share price, E means EPS. So in the pre-nursery classes, please note down this, at least this letters. Oh, P means share price, E means EPS. What is the meaning of EPS? Earnings per share. So all this in detail we'll discuss in LKG UKG classes. So coming back to this market cap, P ratio, sector PE, all these things will be discussed. And also corporate action. So corporate action may dividends. How much dividends this JSW Steel give? 6 rupee 50 paisa. What is the meaning of dividend? Everything will be discussed in higher classes. And in shareholding, कितना है promoter shareholding? Promoter means company owner, 44%. FIS, DIS, everything it is shown here clearly. And this is all about money control app. So I'm just giving a brief. Where can you find market cap? Where can you find P ratio, PV ratio in money control? This is what we need. And where can we find the futures? And where can we find these options? So options may two types. One is call option, one is put option. Call option means betting market will go up. Put option means betting that market will fall down. So this is put option. Today put option people made money because today JSW Steel fell down little bit. And call option people lost money because today JSW Steel fell down. Put option people made money, call option people lost money today because call put it's little complex topic. Even it's not so easy to understand in the beginning stages. So you need to put lot of efforts to understand options. If you can understand options, there is no looking back in stock market. You will never ever quit stock market if you can understand options. So coming back to this futures. So futures is very simple. Buying in lots, selling in lots. Buying in lots, selling in lots. So this is what we needed for pre-nursery classes. So pre-nursery we need not break our head much. So in LKG, UKG you learn a lot. And we have one more beautiful app called Edelweiss. I'll just give you the brief about this app. This is the Edelweiss app. You can see this spelling EDELWEISS. This is available in Play Store everywhere. So download this app. Excellent app. So you can see the charts here. So I'm clicking on one chart. Can you see? सब कुछ है, indicators है. So all this, there is something called indicators. So what is indicator? We'll learn it later. 1 minute, 5 minutes, 15 minutes, सब कुछ है. 1 hour, everything is there in this app. Excellent app in India. The most beautiful app in India for stock market learning is Money Control and Edelweiss app. And we can create a watch list. And the most beautiful part starts here. So I'm clicking on this equity. Under this one, no, I'm clicking on this equity. Can you see the overall picture of the markets and which sector is doing well today? Just like money control, again, which sector is doing well? And FIS, DIS, cash flow, and market stats, top gainers today, and top losers today. Coal India 7%, and most active stocks. And there is huge information in this stock. IPO stocks performance, economy. So can you see the app? How beautiful app is this one? So the more information will be produced in upcoming video. I think this is what we need in the pre-nursery classes. So just make a note, brief note about these things. So and then watch our LKG and UKG videos also. Thank you.